You motherfuckers! Give me a damn break!
And be prepared for immediate action should heavy rains and flooding occur or a flash flood warning be issued. Avoid low-lying areas and be careful when approaching highway dips and underpasses. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Today, patchy fog this morning. Cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour.
We actually got to good activation for once.
Tonight, mostly cloudy.
And first activation!
And a slight chance of showers
And I need to
and
turn you
thunderstorms
on.
after midnight. Patchy fog after midnight. Muggy. Lows in the mid-60s.
Hell yeah, flash flood watch.
Around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday,
Both
mostly
the
cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Humid with highs in the mid-70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Flash.
Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
Oh.
Chance of rain 30%. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Winds around 5 miles an hour. Wednesday
Yeah.
night, mostly clear.
This early in the fucking morning, I get waken up by ILN issuing a fucking flash flood watch. Well, I mean, it was a flood watch.
Thursday night, clear. Lows around 60. Friday, mostly sunny.
Cleveland is gonna tone it too.
Friday
They're
night,
gonna tone it for Marion County.
a chance of showers after midnight. Lows clear with a chance of showers in the evening.
Now we will wait for Cleveland to tone it. It's very... They did expand it. Yep, Logan, Mercer, Shelby, Union. So yay. I might be lucky. I might get WXJ46 right now. Especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN. Exit the flood report via social media. We can do so